Are you ready?
Welcome to the Moxy London XL. Now, I love Moxys, and I think, to be honest with you, within first impressions of this room is unbelievable. I'll show you in a little while, in a little bit. But as you come in, we've got some hangers. We've got the Moxy branded hairdryer. Also the come and knock in. I do love the sense of humour in the Moxys, honestly. Moxy's sense of humour is amazing. As we come in, we've got the bed. Got a little seating area as well. Now, same with the Heathrow Airport one. We got the little lights in the glass as well, which is really good. Bed is super comfortable. I've literally just done a bed test. And in here is our bathroom. Best thing about the Moxys, charging points, because obviously I got an electric toothbrush that craves one of them, so I'm happy we got one of them. We got amazing products by 5 Wits, Moxy. The stuff is just amazing. It smells to die for. I absolutely love the smell of these. Then we got the shower, typical Moxy shower head with a 5 Wits product in as well. We've got tea and coffee facilities as well. Obviously, when we came here, someone did leave a water bottle, kind of water, so that can go in there. We got a kettle. We got some mugs, milk, sugars, you name it. Got a very comfortable bed. Charging plugs are on the right hand side of the bed, so that'd be good if you wanted to charge up your devices. We've got the television showing my favourite TV channel, which is the Marriott Bonvoy TV. You know me, I absolutely love the Marriott Bonvoy TV. That's the view of the bed. Now, the best part is the view. Look at this view. You can see the DLR running about, and if I zoom in a little bit, look at this. We can spot the planes at London City Airport. Thankfully, now that one's taken off. You can't hear the engines. It's that quiet. The room is really noise proof and quiet. You cannot hear the planes taking off. But overall, I am super impressed with this room. The DLR, you can actually just see it going behind the Travel Lodge and the Holiday Inn just over there as well. I know one of my friends who follows me on TikTok who's reviewed those hotels, so I'll put a link in the bio if you want to check out those hotels. But overall, I am super impressed with the Moxy here at London XL, so that is my room tour. Now, I did do a bed test before. I'll do another one for you. Very comfortable, very soft, very springy. The bed is so much comfortable. Like, if you've seen my last review when we stayed at the Ibis, the beds now were really uncomfortable. So I'm glad we've chosen the Moxy because I'm also a Marriott Bonvoy member. So I'll leave a price how much I paid in there and let me know if it's worth it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later, guys.